Good morning, everybody. It's Pastor Hollywood. Glad to see you today. This is the day the Lord has made. We're going to rejoice and be glad in it. Hey, can you see the sign behind me? What does that sign say? God put us together. I like that. You know, God got the whole world in his hand, and I like that. Pastor Hollywood, glad to see you today. This is going to be a good day for you. Always rise up and meet the day. Always rise up and say, Lord, this is your day. I'm going to rejoice in it, and man, things will be good, man. Just stretch your back, you know, do a couple of exercises, get out of that bed, man, and hit the floor running, man. I'm telling you what, good things are coming your way today. Hey, I went to the movies last night, and you know, you guys like to hear my reviews, so I like to give them to you, you know, and kind of give you the thumbs up or the thumbs down, or, you know, the best out of 10. You know, I'm no Siskel and Ebert, but man, I'm a lot cooler than those guys. Nothing wrong with them boys, but you know, hey, man, I'm a real critic, man. I'm the people's critic. So anyway, let me get right to it. Hey, I went and seen the movie Limitless last night. Man, that's a drug movie there, man. You know, that's the problem with this world. So many people caught up in drugs. You know, this drug here that he took, you know, it was to open his mind up. You know, and that's what they claim on every drug, is it's gonna open your mind up. You know, we don't use about 10 to 15% of our minds anyway. But you know, dear Lord, you know, before the fall in the Garden of Eden, man, you think about Adam. You think about all the animals he was naming and everything. Can you imagine that? They still name them animals the same thing as they are back then. You know, that's a crazy thing, you know. But you know, Adam's mind was opened up completely because he didn't have no curse in his life, you know. But right now, man, people trying drugs, they trying to do all kind of things to enhance their personality. You know, that's what it talked about in the movie. It's going to be the enhanced me. You know, you don't need no enhancement except for the Lord. I'm telling you what, you know, I'm a recovering drug addict myself, you know, as you can tell by my rough voice and everything else. You know, that's why I'm Pastor Hollywood. I'm a pastor for the world, living in the world. Sometimes I'm like the world, but I've been delivered by the name of the Lord. You know, he saved me. And I want to tell that message to everybody out there. You know, drugs will hold you down, man. I'm telling you what, you know, if you couldn't do drugs when you was a kid, if you couldn't do drugs while you was growing up, you know, as a little baby, man, why would you want to do drugs when you got older, man? It just clouds your mind, man. It holds you back. You know, drugs are just they'll just make a wreck out of your life. You know, so many times people, they keep wanting to run after things like that, but man, I'm telling you what, it'll hold you down. Get your mind clean, man. You don't need to be smoking no pot, snorting no coke, drinking no alcohol. Man, come on, man. Drink some water. You know, it's good. H2O. The Lord made that stuff and it's abundant out there, so he falls it from the sky. So anyway, this movie just talked about how you're maintaining your high and all those kind of things, and your mind's opening up and all the things you can do, but in the end, man, it comes back to get you. The devil always paints you a pretty picture, but you know, in the end, he got you, you know, and man, you don't want to go down that road. You don't want to be like that prodigal son. You don't want to be sitting out there eating in the slop pen with the pigs when you can be eating in the mansion with the Lord. You know, that's the way it is. And man, rise up and be who you are and let God feed you with a good friend of mine wants to say, man, Mike, I was high on life. And I like that. I like somebody's high on life. And that's what the Lord do to you. A couple other movies coming out, man, is Thor. Ooh, man, I'm telling you what, man, I love movies like that, man. That's going to be a cool movie, man. Got that big hammer, man, fighting for the good, you know, so that's going to be a cool movie coming out. And another one is Hannah. Ooh, man, she's like this kid that was raised up to be an assassin. Man, you know, Pastor Hollywood, he likes movies like that. I like to see the bad guy get beat up and shot up, you know, so that's just the way it is. It's just like it was in heaven. You know, he's the Lord of hosts. That means he's the Lord of the armies. That means that he's going to kick the devil down. He's going to put him away, you know, so, hey, man, it's all good, man. Pull for the good guy and go see the movies this week, man. Entertain yourself and it'll be good. And don't forget to go to church this weekend. It'll be good for you, man. Just rise up and just go. Sit there and listen to the word of God. It'll be good to you. Hey, remember, God put us together. Pastor Hollywood loves you. God bless you.